Hello everyone, I'm here to introduce myself through the lens of this compass. Just like this tool helps navigate through uncharted territories, I aim to guide through the complexities of idea and conversations. My name is Paul Vincent G. Manalang and I'm driven by curiosity and exploration. Similar to how a compass points through north, I try to stay aligned with my core values and integrity, empathy, and continuous growth. Much like the needle of this compass, I'm adaptable and responsive to different environments and situations. In my interactions with others, I support whether it's navigating through challenge or discovering new paths. I believe in fostering collaboration and teamwork. Ultimately, like this compass, I'm a symbol of guidance, reliability, and the quest for knowledge. I'm excited to embark on this journey with all of you and learn from each other along the way. Thank you, guys.